Vehicles lunge and buck when they shift gears, and we've learned thousands of 2014 and 2015 Jeep Cherokee owners have filed lemon law complaints. I talked to two of them, longtime Jeep owners who tell me they're scared to drive their own car. When Dawn Bistarkey turns out of her driveway onto Route 19 in Peters Township,
feel it? Feel how it did that?
Yeah. Her 2014 Jeep Cherokee lurches forward. She says it happens frequently.
I hesitate, like I kind of hold my breath a little bit because I know it's going to happen.
She and her husband say the car has had transmission problems ever since they bought it.
When you're traveling approximately 5 to 30 miles an hour, it'll downshift, it'll upshift, the RPMs go up real high, and then all of a sudden the transmission will kick in and you literally lunge forward. In fact, sometimes you feel you've been rear-ended.
They've taken the car back to the dealer multiple times with complaints about hard shifting, rough shifting, and bucking. At just 2,800 miles, they complained about hard shifting, and the dealer did a software upgrade, saying the problem was fixed. But they were back just a month later with more shifting complaints, and the problems continued after that.
Now, we took it to the dealership about a month and a half ago, and the day after we brought it home, it started bucking again.
You haven't been driving this car very much. Why?
Because I'm afraid to drive it. I don't want to cause an accident.
Earlier this year, the Bistarkeys filed a lemon law complaint against Jeep owner Fiat Chrysler. They have plenty of company among Cherokee owners.
I've had literally thousands of clients, just for 14s and 15s, come to me and say their car is unsafe.
In court papers, Fiat Chrysler denies the Bistarkeys' lemon law allegations. But the company's CEO has previously admitted the Cherokee 9-speed transmission had problems from the first time it hit the road. A statement from Fiat Chrysler says, in part, "We have continually improved responsiveness and shift smoothness based on customer feedback since introducing the transmission in the 2014 Jeep Cherokee. As is typical in the progression of new products, hardware changes were made to improve specific shifts." Still, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website shows hundreds of complaints about Cherokee transmissions in the 2014 and 2015 models. This one says, "My vehicle shifts when it's not supposed to." Another says their Cherokee clearly has transmission faults and needs to be recalled. In this cell phone video, a 2015 Cherokee owner who filed a lemon law complaint shows how the engine races while trying to shift.
It's revving high. It's revving high. Still not shifting.
Fiat Chrysler has not issued any recalls of the transmission, but the company has issued these service bulletins telling technicians how to fix the problem. Action News Investigates went to an expert mechanic to find out if the company's fixes were working.
It helps somewhat, and then in my experience, it reverts back. It starts shifting abnormally, it lacks power, it applies the gears at incorrect times.
Robert Roosh has examined more than 75 Cherokees involved in lemon law transmission cases, working for plaintiff attorneys. He says the driving experience of the Bistarkeys is not unusual.
You're driving along, it doesn't know which gear to be in, like either first, second, or third. It applies two gears at the same time. It jumps to the opposite gear and it bangs.
So this could be dangerous.
Yes.
I'm very angry. I mean, this was an expensive car. This is the top of the line of the Cherokees, and we invested into it knowing that Jeep goes a long way back and it's a safe vehicle, and this is not a safe vehicle.
The Bistarkey case is still pending. Their lawyer says he has settled all the other Cherokee lemon law claims that he has handled. Paul Van Osdol, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.